Alright, so welcome back to another Code Wars challenge. So let's go and get trained here. Alright, so in this category you will write a function. So this is called pick peaks. In this category you will write a function that returns a position and the values of the peaks or local maxima of a numeric array. For example, the array 0, 1, 2, 5, 1, 0 has a peak at position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, which is a value of 5 since 3 equals 5. The output will return as an object with two properties, post and peak, where it's called dictionary. Right? Yeah. If there's no peak in the given array, the output should be post peaks. Example, takes peaks 3, 2, 3, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it's really long. Position is 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Example. Look at this example. 3, 2, 3, 6. So position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All input array will be valid integer array, as this could be still be empty, so you won't validate the input. The first won't be blah blah blah. So be aware of plateaus. Plateaus, however you should pronounce the word. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 has a peak, what 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 does it not. In case of plateau peak, please only return the position and value of the beginning of the plateaus. Example. Okay, I think I don't really get this question at all. I don't get this question at all. Are we supposed to consider it a mountain or something? So let me get a whiteboard set up. Okay. So it starts with 3. We said this is 0. So start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So this is straightforward. What I really want to know is this. So I'm gonna copy. Okay. So we got 3. It goes to 2. Let's go back to 3. Then it's gone to 6. Then let's go down to 4. Then it goes down to 1. And then 4. And then go back to 2, 2 through 2, so 2, 3, 2. One, two, three. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so whoops. Wait. 2. So just go back to, from 1 to 3. Should look like that. Wait, no, it's not completed. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 2. So if we spend so long time just to draw this graph, 2, 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah. 1, 2. Okay, that explains. So we don't care based on the question. We don't care about this node, not this node. So we only care about these two. Okay, so what determines it is, this has to be largest between. So the reason that 6 can be the largest is because 6 is greater than prior number. So 6 is greater than 3, and 6 on the same time is also greater than 4. And the same apply to 3. 3 is greater than 2 and greater than 2. So we're supposed to return them. Okay, so you're gonna find the maximum number first. But if we have, so essentially you need to find the number. So let me loop through the array. I'm gonna create a list. Just gonna say this, and then what we're going to say is if I need to use a range because this concerns some indexing. If it's greater than or minus 1 and I greater than or I plus 1, you're going to return index error if it's in the first, so we don't care about them anyway. So you can say try except index error. And in that case, you're going to say list.append. Okay, let's try that out. Okay, so 3, 7 is position. You know what? We'll I'm gonna call this a set actually. I believe I can do that. Okay. So we got, excuse me. If our bracket I is greater than our I minus 1, and our bracket I is greater than our I plus 1. Look at this 3 get a pen first. Because it's the 6 should get a pen first. Let's just return. You know what? Let's just print out this first. Six three. Probably because how the set works. Yeah. You know what? We'll just put it on that list. Okay. So 6 3, 6 3, 6 3 2. Okay. This doesn't work. 3 6 3. Um. 6 get print out first. What does 3 gets print out? We'll associate the position also. Pose. Peak. So we can take a look. Why this doesn't give an index here? Why this doesn't give you an index here? Because if I remove this, try except. Is that key or index here? I think the index here. Yeah, let's index out of range. You know what? We'll just add if I equals 0 or I equals equal to length of our array minus 1. Just say continue. Otherwise, print this out. Okay, now it should work. Peak 3 6 3 2. Okay, now the 2 doesn't work. Six three 2 3 2 3 2. Okay. Okay, wait. We'll remove duplicate item eventually, so I just want to get the algorithm work first. So 5655. I should probably use this as a thumbnail. Okay. Let's see. So these two are working. Now this doesn't work. No, wait, it does work. This doesn't work. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Okay. I'm going to take a look at this. Position 4. Okay, so this is going to be hard. This is going to be hard because what we want to do is we don't want to check this. We don't want to check this. But yeah, if we do have a plateau, so like something like this, and then we don't want to check rest of the elements. So so what we need to do is check if the rest of the elements is same. So we will say we'll create a helper function here. Pretty sure I'll think it. So is it in R L or I in R? No. This also needs a number to start check. Then what we'll say is if I is not equals L, that will return false. Otherwise, return true. Oops, my clock's ringing. Let me just get that off. Okay. So we'll say, and is it in or L true? So L elements I want to check are I, and then starting with I, and then equals false. Gonna take a little bit more time. Yep, now this does fix that error because it's checked the rest of the elements. So 3, 3, 2, 7. Wait, what? 2, 7, 14, 20. Okay, 5, 6, 5, 5. So why do I have a 3 here? So it says 3 position 11. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it does have a plateau. Because I don't get the question. I don't get the question. But yeah, that's not the largest. I mean, I mean, if you think about it, yeah, it's a create a plateau. So we need to fix our algorithm here. Okay, we'll create another helper function. This will help us to find an element nearest element that is different. Pretty sure that should work. And then we'll say end nearest L. I'm really sure this is not the efficient way to solve this, but I have absolutely no clue. What should I do? I don't get the question. So are L going to be and need to be greater than this. And if line was getting string literal, yeah. Oh. Yeah, colon here. Yeah, now this doesn't work. Three. Yeah. If I add this algorithm, this part, it doesn't work. Oh, okay. So what I want to do is a way to detect this, because this is really not a peak. It's gonna be a long video just to see me debug my codes here. Excuse me, the sound is my squiggly chair. Okay. Okay, here's my plan. I'm just gonna keep going for now, and I will see what tests that fail. Because this do pass the most algorithms. So what I would say is and then I will go create answer here. Empty array. Okay. Empty list. And then what I would say is answer post dot append. 2 didn't pass. So 1, 2, 3, 4, test number 5. This tests. Okay. Okay, so I think the position is 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so position 2. Okay, yeah, the plateau thing. Is it in supposed to solve that issue? Cause like, and is it in? So this gonna. Isn't it supposed to solve the issue? Okay, well, I'll fill more tests. Just print out. Here. Okay. Yeah, it really should be an error. I fill more tests for some reason. Okay. It doesn't return false. Okay, so let me just do some debug here. So, gotta clear everything out. Get this. Right? This is what we get. So this is on test 3, test case 3. So let's go step by step. This get passed, no problem. 2 didn't get passed, so it doesn't have 2. Okay, you know what? Let's just go position 3. So 6. 6 is right. 6 is right. So essentially it says that I'm missing my element. So position 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Wait. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Such a post. Okay. Yeah, I fixed that simple issue. Now what I want to do is I need to do this. let me just try submit attempt. I don't get why this thing doesn't pass. Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm thinking about a way that don't require that 3. I mean, so like it doesn't put 3 in, because these 2 is what really messing me up, because it's a plateau, but it does match the standard here, but it's not the peak. Okay, what we will say here is we will add another standard. So if I greater than I minus 1, that's like everyone need to have that. I equals to I plus 1. And is it in is false? Now what we'll do is we need to have like a double check. So what do we exactly want to check? Is to check is there any element is greater than this and is not in the last. I don't know this work, but you know what, we'll just return false. So if nearest L, so L is I, enormous I equals to if it's true, then we can do that. I don't know if this work. I hope it does do the trick. Yeah, not working. Okay, so what we really want to do is to find a plateau. Does it have a plateau? Because now it says here it must be a, oh my god. Okay. I like 15 more minutes because I have to go, which I hope I can solve this problem. I really want to solve it. By the way, the video I think is without editing. This is how real life should be, not editing out. Like debugging is actually the most of the time I spend on these algorithm questions, like obviously. So what I really want to do is check plateau. Is that plateaus or plate? Let's just say check plate. So what I want to say is 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 does have, but we want to check, does it go down? So this we're taking 3 parameter as well, L num. So what we'll say is if for I in range of num length of and then what we'll say is we'll check, does it have a plateau? So how do we check that? Well, we can check that by find the element that is not equal to that. So if I does not equal to L and it's greater than L, now we return it does have a plateau, otherwise return false. It doesn't have a plateau. Check plateaus, yep, equals false. Oh, it does pass. Alright, let's go attempt. Well, it failed for test though. What other case I didn't stand for? Had negative number as well? Oh my god. I was supposed, okay, I guess it's like go down. Why don't I have this number? Why don't I have 16 for some reason? So LCF I is not equal to L and I less than L. Wait. What just happened? You know what? I'm just gonna submit it. Okay. Does it actually work though? I don't think it works. I don't want to try to comment that it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna get my solution here and then yeah, so this checks the plateau. Let's do the peak thing. Okay, well, I'm pretty happy about it. I mean, sure. Okay, so that's it for this cohort challenge. It's medium hard. I would say medium intermediate to hard. But yeah, so thanks for watching. And please subscribe and like if you like the content and want to see more of I'm doing code word challenge or just subscribe to my tutorial. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you next video.